Imagine this. You step onto your balcony, feeling the cool tiles beneath your feet. The sun is warm on your face, casting a golden glow that instantly lifts your spirits. A gentle breeze whispers through lush greenery, carrying with it the soft rustle of leaves. The air is filled with the scent of herbs and flowers, a fragrant symphony that delights your senses. This is your own personal paradise, a sanctuary where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. And it's easier to create than you might think. Hello, fellow gardening enthusiasts. I'm Alex Greenfield, and I'm passionate about helping people connect with nature, no matter the space. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a modest balcony, the joy of gardening is universal. Transforming your balcony into a garden is a rewarding endeavor. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a living, breathing space that brings joy and tranquility. It's a chance to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your home, making your living space more vibrant and alive. We'll explore simple yet effective ways to turn your balcony into a flourishing garden oasis. From choosing the right plants to arranging them for maximum impact, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I'll guide you every step of the way. We'll delve into the basics of soil, sunlight, and watering, ensuring your plants thrive. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the potential of your balcony garden. With a little effort and creativity, your balcony can become a lush, green retreat that you'll love spending time in. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a thriving balcony garden. The first step is to understand your balcony's unique environment. Consider the amount of sunlight your balcony receives. Is it bathed in sunlight all day, or does it get only a few hours of direct light? Some plants bask in full sun, while others prefer shade or partial shade. Knowing this will help you choose plants that will thrive in your specific conditions. Think about the mature size of your plants. You don't want them outgrowing their space. It's important to select plants that will fit well in your available area. Compact varieties of tomatoes, peppers, and herbs are perfect for balconies. These plants are bred to stay small while still producing a good yield. Don't forget about adding pops of color and fragrance with flowers. Flowers not only beautify your space, but can also attract beneficial insects. Marigolds, petunias, and lavender are excellent choices for their resilience and beauty. They can withstand various conditions and still look stunning. Remember, selecting the right plants sets the stage for a successful and enjoyable balcony garden. With the right choices, your balcony can become a lush, green oasis that you can enjoy year-round. Space is often limited on balconies, but don't let that deter you. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize your growing area. Think of your walls as blank canvases. Install shelves, hang planters, or use trellises to create a multi-level garden. Climbing plants, such as beans, cucumbers, and morning glories, will add a touch of whimsy as they gracefully ascend your vertical structures. Not only does vertical gardening save space, but it also adds visual interest and creates a sense of depth to your balcony. Inject your personality into your balcony garden with DIY planter projects. Repurpose old crates, pallets, or even tin cans into unique and charming planters. Get creative with paint, stencils, or decoupage to add a personal touch. You can even involve the whole family in these fun and rewarding projects. These DIY planters not only enhance the visual appeal of your garden, but also reflect your individual style and creativity. The art of watering. Watering is essential for the health and vitality of your balcony garden. However, it's important to find the right balance. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. Check the moisture level of the soil regularly by sticking your finger about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply, allowing excess water to drain out. Remember that container plants tend to dry out faster than those in the ground, especially during hot summer months. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Nourishing your garden. Just like us, plants need nutrients to thrive. Fertilizing your balcony garden regularly will provide those essential nutrients and promote healthy growth. Choose a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for container gardening. Follow the instructions on the package carefully. Over-fertilizing can be harmful, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. Regular fertilization will reward you with lush foliage, vibrant blooms, and a bountiful harvest. Keeping pests at bay. Pests can be a nuisance in any garden, including those on balconies. But don't worry, there are effective and eco-friendly ways to keep them at bay. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of pests, such as aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies. Early detection is key to preventing infestations. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden. They are natural predators of many common garden pests. You can also make your own organic pest control solutions, using ingredients like garlic, neem oil, or dish soap. The joys of a balcony garden. Creating and nurturing a balcony garden offers a multitude of benefits. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature, relieve stress, and enhance your well-being. Imagine stepping onto your balcony and being greeted by a symphony of colors, scents, and textures. The simple act of tending to your plants can be incredibly therapeutic and grounding. And let's not forget the joy of harvesting your own fresh herbs, vegetables, or fruits. There's nothing quite like savoring the flavors of your own homegrown produce. Today is the perfect day to start your green journey of transforming your balcony into a garden. Paradise is an achievable and rewarding endeavor. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by a lush, green space filled with vibrant flowers, aromatic herbs, and even some fresh vegetables. It's not just a dream, it's a reality you can create. With a little planning, creativity, and care, you can create a green oasis that brings joy and tranquility to your everyday life. Picture yourself unwinding after a long day, surrounded by the soothing sights and sounds of nature, right in your own home. Remember to choose the right plants for your space, considering factors like sunlight, wind, and the amount of care each plant needs. Whether you have a sunny spot perfect for succulents or a shady corner ideal for ferns, there's a plant for every part of your balcony. Maximize your growing area with vertical gardening, using hanging planters, shelves, and trellises to make the most of your space. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but also adds a unique aesthetic to your balcony. Add personal touches with DIY planter projects. Crafting your own planters allows you to customize your garden to reflect your style and personality. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to spend your time. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt as you go. Gardening is a journey, and each step teaches you something new. Keep a journal to track what works and what doesn't, and soon you'll become a balcony gardening expert. And most importantly, have fun. Gardening should be a joyful and relaxing activity. Share the experience with family and friends, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Start your green journey today and reap the countless benefits of a balcony garden. From fresh produce to a peaceful retreat, the rewards are endless. Happy gardening.